So hi and welcome to my quick introduction into Xero. So let's get started. So once you've signed up and signed in, you will see your dashboard. This gives a great overview and insight into your business. As you can see, if you're taking advantage of your bank feeds, you will see your bank account balance here. You'll also see money coming in, money going out, a nice chart for your cash flow, just a quick overview of your business. Now, to get started, there's lots of ways to move around Xero, but we're going to keep it simple for today. So along the top here, we have some tabs. We are on the dashboard here at the very beginning. And we're going to go to the next one, to Business Snapshot. This gives us an even further insight into our business. It allows us to see how our business has been doing from month to month, from year to year, how things have been changing. So I'm going to run through 4 things with you today. That's bills, invoicing, reports, and reconciliation. So let's have a look. So in your business tab, we go to bills to pay. You will see that it's all nicely laid out in a simple, easy format. Straightforward, easy to read. This is showing all of our bills here, but we can narrow this down if we want to click on these short tabs here, maybe just the ones that are awaiting payment, for example. There are many ways to get bills into Xero. We can click New Bill, import it, or we can even email it. Let's have a quick look at the invoices. Very similar to the expenses, the bills, it's laid out in a similar format. Again, we can narrow this down by clicking on one of the short tabs. And again, lots of different ways to add these into Xero. Now next, let's have a look at reports. The profit and loss, the most common, most used report. With all the information populated into Xero, it will bring up your profit and loss. No hassle, no fuss. And the great thing about this system is that we can alter the date range. So we can see this year, last year, this month, last month. We can tailor it to our specific needs. And the last thing I wanted to show you is the reconciliation. I'll take you back to the dashboard because that's where we first started. Here we have reconciliation. Now, reconciliation, you might ask, what is that? Now, that is the process of checking that our expenses and our income are correct and match with our bank statements. Now, the reason we do this is because sometimes there are errors. Sometimes we might make a payment for an invoice twice. We might receive money twice. So we need to make sure that everything is accurate, as we are legally required to keep accurate information. So within Xero, there are so many automated functions to help us along the way. I'll show you a few quick ones. This top one here is a bill, and we've had an amount go out of our bank, and we've got a bill that is in Xero. Xero has nicely matched these two together. We can click OK, all matched and done. The second one, very similar. We've had an invoice, we've had payment received into our bank, and we've had an invoice that we have populated through Xero. Again, there is a match and we can click OK. Now things get a little bit more tricky when there isn't a match there, when we're not sure what the payments are related to, or maybe it's a batch payment with a few invoices or expenses. Now this is just a really quick overview. I hope you found this really helpful, useful to you. Accounting software can make our lives so much quicker, so much easier, so please do take advantage. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.